is a faculty show. We were asked to produce works that was more curated to a certain concept.
Essentially, like we're dealing with modules of 4, ideas of sequence, narrative, multiplicity, and it's a challenge to the faculty artist basically to make something completely new, to invite the students in to in turn evaluate us as artists, which is a nice bit of role reversal.
When we have to actually work simultaneously, knowing that I'm not just going to create one and I have to create a whole series, it poses as a challenge. That's where problem solving comes in. We have to be really critical. We have to think totally, outside of the box. This is my work, and it's called synesthesia, and my research is based on the female body, and I've been doing a lot of work with cells, body cells, so I'm trying to combine science and art. I've also brought in a lot more sculptural, structural work into my pieces, and they're in little shapes of hexagons. They complement the beehives, and that's really important for me because it shows growth and reproduction and how the cells actually regenerate or degenerate.
This is a bit of a new project. Right now it's called Out of the Strong Something Sweet. What I'm doing is I'm trying to bring together 3 connected but seemingly disparate species. Bees that produce honey for us, they pollinate our plants, and then cows, the sort of proverbial walking meat plant. And so what I've done is preserved cow stomachs and dried them out and then coated them in beeswax. And what you'll see if you look at the work is that the reticulum structure of the cow stomach really closely resembles that of a honeycomb. And they're draped over molds to look a little bit like veils. So you kind of have those 3 species embedded in the forms, cows, bees, and humans.
It's really important for students to understand that we're not just artists, that we profess whatever we do, but we also have this other life where we're constantly working and creating stuff. A day job is the day job that we do, but we also actively and really put a lot of importance to create these works so that we're able to create a platform for discussions. So we never stop. We're always constantly thinking, we're constantly making, we're constantly doing things and showing things, and that's really crucial.